Hi guys, I'm here today with my very first Luxury Diva box. My name's Fawn and this is my channel, and I try to figure lots of things out, and mostly I try to figure them out with my friends. My friends give me advice, they tell me what to do, and I love it. So this box, what a story behind it. Guys, I'm going to be completely honest with you, it's open. This will be the third time that I have shot this video. Not all on the same day, but on 3 separate days. So some backstory before I get into it, if you can bear it. I saw this box on quite a few people's channels, but I particularly saw it on Blessed GMP's channel, Patricia, I think her first name is. And I thought, you know what, that sounds or seems like such an American box. I want it. I know that's kind of mad, but I think like most people, you know, if you get a box that comes from Japan, or you get a box that comes from India, and this one felt really American and it looked good, and I thought, why not? Let's have a little slice of America coming into this channel. So then I filmed it. It came. Oh, bang, sorry. It came, I was thrilled. I filmed it. Day or two later I went to edit it, and all I can say is I was going down with this dread lurgy that I've had. I've been ill now for 10 days. Luckily for me, I had quite a lot of videos backed up that I was able to, I've been throwing them up regardless. Fridays was the first one, I think, where you can properly tell that I'm not well, but I'm not sure. I possibly, well, I don't know, maybe one of the Luxury or Stitch Fix, one of those, I'm not sure. Anyway, when I filmed this the first time, didn't know I was poorly. When I went to edit it, what a scream. It was the longest video I've ever done in my life, and I talked complete gibberish throughout it. So I thought, that's no good, I can't use that, I'm not going to do it. So when I filmed my Friday, 5 on Friday, I refilmed this box. And I published or uploaded my 5 on Friday yesterday, and I've had comments about the fact that I sound American in it. I knew I sounded odd. I have to be honest, my voice was so sore. My throat was so sore. I was struggling so much and sort of talking through my nose. So I had thought it sounded a little bit American, but I showed it to my hubby. I said, well, what do you think? And he said, well, you sound a bit mad, but bonkers, I think was the word. But no, you don't, it's not a problem. Stick it up, no one will notice. And you guys, you notice. And in the way of friends, you called me on it. So anyway, I then thought, after seeing all that yesterday, I thought, oh God, I'd best go back and look at the other ones that I did. So it wasn't just this box, there was another box that I'm gonna have to refilm, because I'd filmed 3 that day. I sound American in all of them. Well, my version of American. And I can only apologise. I don't know what was going on in my head. I don't know what's going on in my mouth. I don't know what's going on in my throat. So I'm going again. This is my long and lengthy explanation. We're 3 minutes in and I haven't opened the bloody box. But here we go for the 3rd time. This is my first ever Luxury Diva. Now, when I opened it originally, it had a golden Oreo cookie on the top. I'm afraid I've eaten it. So you're just going to have to trust me. That was quite nice. It was quite nice. And then it had a lovely card inside from the lady who curates these boxes. And then I have my sheet. I might sound a little bit sort of blasé about this now, and I was thrilled at the time, but I'll go again. Okay, so I got a red distressed ponytail hat, and I think it's super cute. Super cute. In the first video, I spent quite a while rambling about I couldn't understand why there was a hole in the back, and was it to do with extra ventilation? Of course not, it's for the ponytail. But I think it's really cute. I got the red one. I could have had grey, black, blue or pink. I probably would have gone for black because I'm a little bit of a coward, but I love it. And I do call this a proper American one. Can you see how arched that is? We don't get them arched like that over here. Ours are far more, oh God, look what I've done to my hair now, never mind. Ours are far straighter on the top, but I love it. And they said it was worth $20. Only you Americans can tell me whether that would be about right. Well, I'm happy with it. Then I got the little beige bag. Again, I unwrapped it, I enthused over it. I demonstrated that my phone would go in there. It is crossbody. I do like it. It's $18. I wish I'd had it in the summer. Frankly, I'm probably not going to get the use out of it now. It'll have to wait till next year. But it is actually really, really cute, and it would be great for when I go to sort of car boot sales or fun fairs, amusement arcade, no, what would you guys call them? Theme parks. If I was to go to Alton Towers or one of those, I think it would be really great, because you know, when you're hopping on and off rides, but you do need your phone and some money. So I like it. I'm happy I had it. I then had some sunglasses. I think they're really cute, but I am not convinced they work for me. But look at these sunglasses. Aren't they great? I've got my reservations, you girls will have to tell me. They're very round, and I don't know whether my face can take a very round sunglass. But I do like it. I mean, look at this. Nobody would know who I was. I mean, I don't know who I am anyway, but you know. They've got really pretty gold details on the arms. Oops. And then little bits of gold here and here. They're really dark. I like them. I'm just not sure they're the right shape for me. These were $20. And I think, yeah, that's perfectly reasonable for a pair of sunglasses, isn't it? For $20. Next up was some socks. Luxury Diva socks. They're in a tribal print. They've got some beautiful, feisty colours. And what I like about them is they're what I call trainer socks. So they don't actually go up the ankle, they stop. I think they're great. I'm hoping I can hang on to them. If my daughter happens to see them when she's wandering through, my younger daughter, they'll be gone. I really like them, so I'm going to try and hang on to them. And they were $16. Next up is something that I am going to happily give away, even though I think they're really, really pretty. They're just not me. I tend to wear my studs most of the time. And it is a pair of really pretty little silver hoop earrings. They've got, I'm not sure whether the camera will focus, they've got sort of diamantes around the edge, the silver. They're really pretty, and they were valued at $20. And last but not least was a 2-pack of, and I found this a bit odd, Beauty Creations Long Wear Matte 2-pack of lip gloss. And I'm a bit confused by that, I must admit. You can see I haven't opened them yet. I've opened them out of the packet, but not actually broken the seal. As far as I'm concerned, and I'm probably wrong, lip gloss is shiny and these are matte. So they would be liquid lipsticks to me, but maybe there is a sort of a hybrid thing going on here. But as I said before, you won't know because you haven't seen the other two. I'm so fed up. This one is very, very pink, which will suit my mother. My mother is blonde, blue-eyed, well, more grey than blonde now. Blue-eyed, very pale skin. I take after my dad. And she wears a lot of pink, and this is very much a colour that would suit her, and it's called Pinky Promise. You'd think by now I'd remember, wouldn't you? Pinky Promise. But I prefer this one. I think this might suit me. This has got a little bit more of a red tone to it. This one is called Sensual. So that's great. One for mum, one for me. More than happy. So that's it. I'm not, you know, I've blethered on quite long enough, and I'm trying to keep the video short. I just, they say the retail value of the box was $107. Yeah, I just think, you know, it comes from Phillipsburg, New Jersey. It felt so American to me, and I loved it, and I had great fun, and I was really chuffed in the whole 9 yards. And then for some reason I sounded really weird, and I'm concentrating as I talk to you now, because I don't know if you can hear, I'm very sort of nasal, because I'm still so congested in the face. So yeah, that was it. That was my first Luxury Diva that I filmed 3 times. And yes, as I say, I had, quick rundown, socks, earrings, lipsticks, sunglasses, bag, and most of all, the one I liked best, my hat. I really like it. This is my American hat. Okay, so that was me. That was Luxury Diva. Hopefully I'm going to get well soon. Okay, bye guys.